You know what the worst trade in dieting is? Giving up the foods you actually like for the ones you hate and still not losing weight. Today, we're not making that trade. 3 pints of ice cream, 45 grams of protein each, Confetti Crush, PB Banana Split, and Double Cookie Collision. All three run on the same base, so we'll build it once and customize it from there. We're spinning all three, revealing the macros for every pint, and finishing with a taste test to see if these are the real deal. Let's get into it. All these are going to be getting 1.5 cups of Fairlife's Ultra Filtered Milk. This is the fat-free one. Ultra Filtered Milk has 50% more protein and 50% less sugar than regular milk, so this is going to be a much better option for these creamies. And now every pint's going to get 1 scoop of this protein powder. I'm using Optimum Nutrition's vanilla ice cream flavor. Works really well with these creamies and really good deal at Costco. You get 80 servings in this bag. So 1, 2, and 3. Every pint's gonna get 1 tablespoon of 0-cal sweetener. I'm using this one by Whole Earth. 1, 2, and 3. Now for a very important ingredient, Terra gum. This is a stabilizer. It's gonna make the ice cream nice, thick, and creamy. You can also use xanthan gum, but I like the texture of the Terra gum just a little bit better. You don't need a whole lot. You just need 1/4 of a teaspoon. And the best place to get Terra gum, just pick it up on Amazon. I'll put a link to this in the description below, along with all the other ingredients I'm using today. And now a pinch of salt. This will help bring out the flavor in the ice cream. Now we got our base ingredients, let's start customizing. We'll start off with the Confetti Crush. First add in 1/2 teaspoon of cake batter extract. This really just gets that nostalgic flavor into our pint. It smells like a combination of butter and vanilla extract, but also a better way to put it, if you make raw cake batter, you get a whiff of that cake batter, it smells exactly like that. Only 1/2 teaspoon. This stuff is pretty powerful, so you don't want to overdo it. Now we're gonna add in 0 sugar Jello mix. This is the white chocolate. This gives it that frosting kind of a taste for not too many calories. Then it'll also make the pint a bit thicker. Now for the chocolate PB split, we have 1 ripe banana, just super soft. All right, we're just gonna break it up and dump it into our pint. This will give us that banana flavor, obviously. There we go. And now to give us some of that more banana taste, we're using the 0 sugar banana cream pudding mix. I found that adding just 1 banana, you do need to add a little bit more banana taste. So that's what this will do. And also it'll make it a bit more creamy as well. And now for the double cookie collision, we're adding in the 0 sugar vanilla Jello mix. Since this is a vanilla base, this will give us the vanilla flavor. Now we gotta mix these all up. I'm using an immersion blender. I find this the easiest way to do it. Just right in the pint, doesn't leave any scratches, and super easy to clean. I'll have a link in the description for this one right here. So the way we do it, just go slowly into the pint, and on the lowest setting, you start. All done. All of these are gonna go into the freezer for 24 hours to make sure they freeze all the way through. First up, we got the Confetti Crush. With all the pints, we're always gonna run it through some warm to hot water. Get the sides a little defrosted so it's not gonna be too icy. We'll do this for about 15 to 30 seconds. Once that's done, drop it in here. All these creamies today are gonna be ran on the light ice cream setting. All done spinning. Here, we're just gonna make a hole in the middle. And for our mix-ins, we have rainbow sprinkles and these mini M&Ms. Make sure you do buy these. These are the jimmies. They look like this. If you get these, the colors are gonna bleed all over the pint and it's not gonna look too good. So I've measured out 15 grams of the mini M&Ms and 2 teaspoons of the sprinkles. Put it right back in, full, and mix in. All done spinning, let's take a look. If your creamy does this, you know it's gonna be good. Unreal. Legit. Next up, we have the chocolate PB split. Light ice cream setting. All done spinning. A hole in the middle. Oh, this is so creamy. Oh, this is like gelato. For the mix-ins, we're using these mini peanut butter cups. I quartered up 5 of them, and we're just gonna drop that into the middle. Back into the creamy, and mix in. All done spinning. That's crazy. Super thick. Look at that texture. Not icy at all. The double cookie collision. Drop it in the creamy, in the light ice cream setting. Mix in all done. Hole in the middle. For the mix-ins, we have 4 Oreo thins with the cream removed to save on calories, and chocolate chip cookie dough by Ben & Jerry's. You can pick these up at Target. So now we're just gonna drop it into the middle. Let's make these cookies collide and mix in. Mix in all done, and optionally you can put a bit more of the cookie dough on top. That's solid. Let's give the Confetti Crush a try. Oh yeah. It has that cake battery taste, super sweet. You have the crunch of the M&Ms. I'm telling you, that white chocolate pudding mix, that takes this next level. I've made this one before without that pudding mix, still really good. But this one, this is next level, this is good. Let's give the chocolate PB split a try. Oh yeah. That sweet banana taste paired with the sweet peanut butter cups as well. Just a really good combination. Look at that. This isn't going anywhere. I mean, this one's good. Let's give the double cookie collision a try. Oh yeah. Nice vanilla base paired with that Oreo taste and the chocolate chip cookie dough. Just paradise. Telling me I'm getting 40 something grams of protein out of this. It's insane. Look at that. Now that's thick. So good. If you want more recipes like this, check out my ebook, 25 high protein Ninja Creami recipes, macros included, tips and tricks as well. Check that out in the link in the description. YouTube thinks you like this video right here, check it out.